Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to continue with our previous class content. Tell me, is the screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what I said in the previous class, I have given an equation called A plus C bar dot A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot A bar plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C. Okay, in the previous class itself, we have made this equation as a standard equation, and we have got the equation, standard equation as A plus B plus C bar dot A plus B bar plus C bar dot A bar plus B bar plus C bar dot A bar plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C. Am I right? Up to this, we have finished in our previous class. Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I ask you to find out the max term from the standard equation. Have you all found it? Students, reply me. Students say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me the value. What?
Zero one
Zero,
three
zero,
four
one.
seven.
Wait. Y is equal to, so you have to start with this. So in the question itself, they have mentioned as the variable y. So you want to use the same variable pi m of, because of it is a max term, we are using pi here and m is in capital letter. Now tell me the values.
Zero one
0, 1,
1,
3, 4,
three
3,
four seven.
4,
Three four
7.
seven.
அதான் ஃபைன் பண்ணிட்டீங்கல்ல, then unmute பண்ணிட்டு ஆன்சர் சொல்றதுக்கு என்ன? Okay, so have you simplified it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So just for clarification, I'm going to simplify again. So tell me the variables. A plus B, A plus B bar, A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B. Here the same, C plus D, C
Ma'am,
plus D. Yes?
Ma'am, 8 box K map தானே ma'am
8
யூஸ்
box K.
பண்ணோம்.
It is only up to 7 only,
Oh,
ma'am.
sorry. That's right. Okay, now tell me here. A bar, B plus C, B plus C bar, B bar plus C bar, B bar plus C. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so what are all the max terms here? 0, 1, 3, 4 and 7.
மேம் மேக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ்க்கு 0 தானே மேம் போடணும்.
மா கரெக்டா இருக்கீங்கம்மா. Okay. Now tell me the pairing.
0 1 3 மேம்.
0, 1, 3. How can you pair three values?
மேம் 1 3 0 4 3 7 மேம்.
So we can pair 0, 4, 3, 7. Okay. Here I want to say one thing. Wait. In the introduction itself, I have said that by using K-map, you can simplify the equation. Okay, why we going for K-map? That is because instead of, when we go for K-map, we can simplify as much we can when we compare to the manual calculation. So why we are going to K-map. So the second point I have said you that in the K-map, the variable number of variable and number of terms should be the same for all of us. The variable may change. In the statement, I have mentioned this statement. Am I right? Am I right or not?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, for that we can see. So there is a chance of pairing either 1 and 3 or 1 and 0. Okay, you can choose any of this pair. Okay, 0 and 3 pair, so 1 and 3 pair பண்ணிருக்கேன் ஐயோ தப்பா அப்படின்ற அந்த ஒரு thought வேண்டாம். You can pair either 1 and 3 or 1 and 0. Okay, am I right? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to pair 1 and 3, then I will get the equation as, what is the equation? B plus C
A plus C dash.
A plus C dash, ma'am.
dot A plus C dash dot
B dash plus
B
C dash.
dash plus C dash. So this is the simplified equation for the given POS equation. In case if you pair 1 and 0 means, then you will get the equation as y equal to B plus C dot A plus
A plus B ma'am.
B dot B bar plus C bar. Okay, so compare these two equations. We are having the same number of terms and same number of variables in each term, but the variable may change. Okay, this is not a issue. Clear? The answer will be right. Okay, the answer will be right. Okay, according to the person's thought, you can pair any of these two options. Okay, there is no problem. But the only condition is don't pair already paired values. Okay, here itself you may do the mistake like you can pair 1 and 3 as well as 1 and 0. Okay, so that gives the additional number of more number of terms in the simplified equation. So you have to avoid it. You can pair either 1 and 3 or 1 and 0. Can you able to follow me? Can you able to follow me, students?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, shall I move to the next topic?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so up to this, we are going to stop about the normal K-map. We are going to see 5 variable K-map. 5 variable K-map. So 5 variable K-map. So 5 variable K-map means I am going to use 5 variables in this K-map. So substitute the value of n is equal to 5 means what you will get here? Capital N value as
2 power 5.
2 power 5 Dama. What is the answer for 2 power 5?
32 ma'am.
32. So for solving a 5 variable K map, we need 32 box K map. Okay. So at a stretch, if we put a 32 box in a K map means it is not easy to solve it. So instead of that, we are going to put two 16 box K map. Okay. We are going to put two 16 box K map. We are going to use two 16 box K map. Okay. So if I'm using the variable A, B, C, D, E. So I'm using the variable A, B, C, D, E means I have to mention those variables in the K map as B, C, D, E. Then it will be like B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. Like the same D bar, E bar, D bar, E, D, E and D, E bar. Meanwhile, here also you want to use the same variable B bar, C bar, B bar, C. Now, I don't have enough space here, so I'm going to mention in that corner B bar, C bar, B bar, C, BC, BC bar. Here, like the same as previous K map, I'm going to mention it as D bar, E bar, D bar, E, D, E and D, E bar. So we have mentioned 4 variables in both the K map as it is. Here the missing variable is
A, ma'am.
A. Okay, for that, in this whole K map, I'm going to mention the variable A as A bar. That is, the value of A is 0 while using the first K map. Got it? While using the first K map, I have to mention the value of A as A bar alone. Okay? While I'm using the second, this K map, while I'm using this K map, I have to mention the variable A as A alone. Okay? Now second K map la pair. While pairing the in the second K map, I have to mention the variable A as A alone. Like the same, if I mention the if I'm having any pairing in the first K map means at that time I want to mention the variable A as A bar. Got it? So while mentioning the K map, minterms in the K map, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Continuation will be move on to the second K map, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So totally we are having 32 box in our K map. Okay. The pairing will be like, okay, you can pair as it is like your 16 box K map. Okay, va? So if you are going to solve it in a single K map means you can pair as like your 16 box K map. Okay. In case if you are having 1, 1, 1, 1. So if you are having 1, 1, 1, 1 means how will you pair it? You can pair all the 4 corners. Okay. In case if you are having 1, 1, 1, 1, if you are having min terms, Okay, the minterms be like 0 to 8, 10, 16, 18, 24 and 26. So the minterms be like this means, okay. So you can notice that the position of ones are same as like your first box, first K-map. Can you able to follow me? Can you able to follow me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in case the pairing be like this means the position of minterms for both the K-map are same. Am I right? So this is also 0, 0, 0, 0. Here it is also 0, 0, 0, 0. It is also 0, 0, 1, 0. Here also it is 0, 0, 1, 0. This the position of this minterm is 1, 0, 0, 0. Here also the same. The position of this minterm is also 1, 0, 0, 0. The position of this minterm is 1, 0, 1, 0. Here also the same as 1, 0, 1, 0. So you can pair as a octal. You can pair this as an octal. Got it? Meanwhile, you want to make the equation with the variable of B, C, D and E. Here the A variable is getting cancelled because when we go for this K-map, the A variable of A as A bar, here the variable of A as A. So A variable is getting changed when we go for both the K-map. So it get cancelled and the remaining variables are the same. Can you able to hear me? Can you able to follow? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Like the same, if I'm having the minterm in the position 1, 1, 1, sorry, in the here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, sorry, 1, 1. Like the same, you're going, you're having the minterm 0, 1 and 1, 0. Okay. So what is the pairing here? You can pair this 4 ones as a pair. Am I right? In case, so this will be right. If you don't have any one in the same position of your in your next second K-map means you can pair this 4 1 as a quad. In case if you are having one in the same position in your second K-map means you can pair this as a quad. Sorry, you can pair this as an octal. Like the same, if you are having one in this position means you can pair this 2, or else if you're having 1 and in your second K-map also you're having 1 in the same position means you can pair this as a pair 2. Got it? Students, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we move to the problem? Meanwhile, like the same, if you are having 2 ones here means you can pair this as a quad. In case if you are having one in the same position when you compare to your first K-map means you can pair this as an octal. Okay? Okay, we will go for the problem. The problem be like F equal to summation M of 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, this is 4, 13, 21, 23, 25, 29, 31. 29 and 31. Okay, so here they have not mentioned the variable. Okay, now tell me how many box K-map should I use for the given function?
32.
32, ma'am.
32.
32. How can you say that?
Ma'am, last one 31.
31.
So it just getting increased the value 15. Okay, so why we are using the 5 variable K-map here. So just to make it note down the mean terms. I'm going to move the screen.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Have you noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So as I said previously, for the first K-map, the A value is mentioned as A bar. Here it is mentioned as A. Here it is D bar, E bar, D bar, E, D, E, D, E bar. Like the same, here also D bar, E bar, D bar, E, D, E and D, E bar. Here B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. Here also B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. The mean terms 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, now say what are all the mean terms here? Students, say what are all the mean terms?
0
Given in the
to
0 to, 0, wait. 0 to 4,
6, 9,
6, 9,
13,
13.
0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 13,
21,
21,
23,
23,
Wait. 21, 23,
25,
25,
25, 29,
29, 31.
31. Okay. Now say, how can we pair it?
0,
21, 23, 29, 31. Quad pair, ma'am.
So 21, 23, 29 and 31 we have pair it as quad. Okay, right. Then
0, 4, ma'am.
39, ma'am.
39. Okay. So meanwhile, while pairing each pairing, you want to notice that whether you are having the min terms in same position of your second K-map. Okay. See whether you are having min terms of the same position in your second K-map.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the just I want to repeat it again because so the position of this min term is BC and D bar E. Am I right? The position of this min term also BC D bar E. Position of this min term is B C bar D bar E. The position of this min term is B C bar D bar E. So position of all those 4 ones are same, but the only thing is it is in different K-map, so that we are choosing the variable A. When we use here means it is of A bar, when we use here means it is of A. So while making to the equation, the A variable get cancelled. Okay, so you can pair this min term as a quad. Got it? Students got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next pairing.
Zero, 4, ma'am.
0, 4,
2, 6.
0, 4. You
2,
want
6.
to see 2, 6. So 0, 4, 2, 6 as a quad. Am I right? 0, 4, 2, 6 as a quad. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when we go for, so make the 21, 23, 19 and 21, 23, 29 and 31 as the first pair. Okay. This 13, 9, 29 and 25 as second pair. 0, 1, 2, 6 as third pair. Okay. Now say the equation for the first pair. 21, 23, 29 and 31. So when we go for this column wise, B bar is changed as B here, C is constant. So I want to write C first. Again, sorry, this is row wise. When we go for column wise, which one is constant here?
E, ma'am.
E, ma'am.
E is constant. E is constant. So the missing variable is A. So I have made the pair by using the only K map. So at the time, what is the value of A here? நான் K map வந்து ரெண்டு K mapையும் நான் யூஸ் பண்ணல, நான் ஒரே K map மட்டும் தான் யூஸ் பண்றேன். அப்போ என்னோட வேரியபிள் A1 நான் எப்படி எழுதுவேன்?
A, ma'am.
So I have written I will write as a A. So நான் A மட்டும் தான் எழுதுவேன். புரியுதா? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm going for the next pairing. Okay, when we go for this, just no need to go for both the K map. In the combination மட்டும் பாருங்க. Okay, so what is the row wise? What is the variable of row wise for this pairing?
B, ma'am.
B. இங்கேயும் எனக்கு B தான் வரும். இங்கேயும் நான் பார்க்கறப்போ I will get the variable B. When I go for column wise, what is the variable for the pairing? 13, 9 and 29, 25?
D bar E, ma'am.
D bar E. D bar E. Okay. When I go for the variable A, when I go to the K-map, first K-map means the variable is mentioned as A bar. When I go for when I go with the second K-map, the variable A is mentioned as A. So A bar is changed as A. So it gets cancelled. So while pairing the combination of two K-maps, no need to write the காமன் வேரியபிள். அதாவது ஏன்ற வேரியபிள நான் எழுத வேண்டாம். பிகாஸ் இந்த கேமேப்ல நான் பேர் பண்ற நேரம் எனக்கு அது ஏ பாரா இருக்கும். செகண்ட் கேமேப்ல நான் பேர் பண்ற நேரம் எனக்கு ஏவா இருக்கும். ஸோ இட் கெட் கேன்சல். த வேரியபிள் இஸ் நாட் காமன், சாரி, has not goes common while pairing in both the K-maps. Got it? புரியுதாமா?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, next. What is the equation for the third pairing?
B bar E bar,
Sorry.
ma'am.
A bar.
A bar, B bar, E bar.
A bar, B bar, E bar. A bar, B bar,
E bar.
E bar. A bar, B bar, E bar. Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Anybody is having doubt in the 5 variable K-map? Because I'm going to give you one problem. You are going to make it solve, and you are going to say the result. During our next class, we are going to the next topic called the K-map by using don't care conditions. Okay, so make the note of your problem. So the function f equal to summation m of 0 2 4 6 9 11 13 15 17 21 25 27 29 31. So nothing to explain for the 5 variable K-map. It is enough, I think so. The explanation which I have given is enough, I think so. So you are going to solve this problem and tell me the answer now itself, because you are having much time. Solve the problem and tell me the answer. If you are having any doubt, ask me parallelly. Okay? Have you noted the question? Students, have you noted the questions?
Yes, ma'am. Noted, ma'am.
Okay, solve it and tell me the answer. Have you got the answer? Okay, solve it.
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, is Aditi is here? Aditi? I think two of you as Aditi, any one of you, tell me, what is the first pairing? Aditi? If you have not responded means we will put absent for those students who have not responded. Is Aditi is there? Ma'am, tell me some other student's name, ma'am.
Abhishek M.
You people please
Abhinesh?
respond for us.
Tell me the answer, ma. Abhishek. Abhishek? See, if you don't understand, you can ask again. Okay? We are ready to repeat. If you have any doubts, please ask. Abhishek, are you there?
Charulata?
You can unmute and say and tell Aditi. Aditi, you're solving the problem right. You can unmute and tell. No problem.
Aditi, I can't view the chat box because I was in another screen. So you have to unmute the mic and tell me.
Please don't use chat box, ma. Please unmute and tell. Okay?
Ma'am?
Yeah, unmute and tell, Aditi.
Okay. Ma, tell me the first pairing. How can we pair it?
A bar, B bar.
No,
sorry,
just
A bar.
mention the min terms.
13, 15, 19, 11. Sorry, 9, 11.
Okay. As a quad or anything else?
20, 29, 31, 25, 27.
As?
Quad.
Hi. So I have told you that you want to see whether the min terms are placed in the same position in the second K-map also. So quad means pairing 4 numbers. Octal means pairing 8 values. Okay, now say how can we pair it?
Octal, ma'am.
We can pair as octal. Okay, so the min terms are 13, 15, 9, 11, 29, 31, 25, 27 as octal. Super. Next, anybody else?
0426, ma'am.
0, 4,
Quad pair,
2,
ma'am.
6 as quad. Okay.
Quad.
So we want to see parallelly that we are having any min term is marked in your second K-map. So if it is not, just no need to bother about it. Pair as a quad 0, 4, 2, 6. Next one.
1721, ma'am.
17, 21. Okay. So if I pair 17 and 21 means I will get the chance of increasing number of variables in that term. Okay, you want to make a note of it that whether you can pair the unpaired value for a large number of pairing.
17, 21, 29, 20.
Super. 17, 29, 20, sorry, 17, 21, 29, 25 as a quad, because we are going to use the paired value to for making the unpaired value as a large number of pairing. Got it? So எனக்கு வந்து 17, 21 மட்டும் நான் பேர் பண்ணனா எனக்கு வேரியபிள் வந்து ஜாஸ்தியா கிடைக்கும். இப்போ நான் வந்து அது அன்பேர்ட் வேல்யூவை பேர் பண்றதுக்காக ஆல்ரெடி பேர் ஆன மீன் டேர்ம்ஸ் நான் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறேன் டு மேக் இட் சிம்பிளிஃபைட். Got it, ma? Now tell me the equation for the first pairing, that is the octal pairing.
BE, ma'am.
BE plus இப்ப சொல்றவங்க நேம் என்னதுமா? What is your name?
Tulasi Malini, ma'am.
Okay. Next, tell me the second pairing, equation for the second pairing, that is 0, 4 and 2 and 6, 0, 4, 2 and 6.
A bar, B bar, E bar, ma'am.
A bar, B bar, E bar. A bar, B bar, E bar. Tell me the equation for third pairing, that is 17, 21, 29, 25.
A bar, D bar, E, ma'am.
A bar, how it is
A, D
possible
bar,
of
E,
getting? A, D bar, E. A, D bar, E. Can you able to follow it?
Yes,
Aditi
ma'am.
is there? Aditi?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi is there? Can you able to follow it? Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please respond. Then only we can able to know that you have understood or not. Okay? Okay. Shall we start here? So this is up to 5 variable K-map. We are going to see the same K-map. The procedure will be the same. So there will be only one variation when we go for don't care condition. Okay? Students got it? Okay, we will see in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.